Glitch activity detected at Lake Mindora. Equation breach, 7 times 6 locked at 42, but bending to 46. That's not Phantom's usual trick. 42, 46. Confirmed flip loop. Numeric integrity breach. Solenne, this is outside your jurisdiction. Command is dispatching Ninefold immediately. Knight of Ninefold, this is command. Report 7x189 confirmed. Hoverboard entry. This is not a drill. Stay put 103. Ninefolds inbound. Apprentice, download fix 7x189. Complete and transmit to command. That sequence will stabilize the breach until Ninefold arrives. Logbook entry 7x. Report transmitted to Ninefold Tower. Command standing by for containment. Glitch Alert Coordinator, Grand Count Keeper 703 reporting. Korrin, log out.